Nga, mga hinayupa kung makakampi ko solo.
LS ka?
LA. Sa peak lang ako nag lalaro. LS ako sa rank.
It's our turn to ban heroes.
Angela? Pinagbaban ng mga to? Maaga yung siyang one. Ako, Mars!
To pick heroes.
Mars!
Just Mars, practice.
Okay, tingnan. Ngayon ko palang aralan yung skill.
Those who shoulder the burden of fate
Benta.
carry the responsibility that they must prevail, even when alone.
Bilan ka na skill.
It's our
Okay.
turn to pick heroes.
Pogi!
Binili.
Those who shoulder the burden
Show,
of fate
show.
Uy, ang pogi
carry
niya!
the responsibility that they must prevail, even
Uy,
when
Diyos ko mio.
alone.
Diyos mio. Show, be. Hala ka.
Rome to, yeah. Rome, pero pwede din siya maybe. Miss me.
It's our turn to pick heroes.
Immediately starting to think on the skill. Skill with one first. Universal. Ah, hindi ko gets yung ultimate.
5 seconds
When
left.
enemies close in, Z can shift away. Ensure survival. Follow kita sa isang TikTok account ko. Sige lang, joke lang. Go lang, joke lang. Parang maganda ilagay yung passive niya sa jungle. Yeah, okay sa jungler. Pwede siguro sa marksman. Para mas masakit, no? Hello, Roland! Salamat sa pag-share ng live.
Lah, bagong pangalan ng group.
Hindi kita nakita! Extreme! BTX, ba't hindi kita nakita nang pumunta ka sa event? Muwi ka agad?
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Ay,
Surprise
gagi.
party in the brush. I trained 10 minions for this match. In 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
The super beings often forget that they were once human.
Hey Mars, di ka nagalaw. Yep, tapos yung jungle
Nag-chat.
carrier kasi apart na masakit, diba? Ang pogi na skin niya, oh.
Anong pogi, Mars? Luma yan, Mars.
Yung skin niya. Ano ko na siya nakita, Mars?
Mas luma pa siya ni Fuzzy, Mars. Wag.
Ah, may naka pala. That's nice.
Assemble!
Only those with
Kamukha niya si
high
ano.
can
Mukha
truly
siyang sugar
grasp
daddy,
the
Mars.
vastness of the world.
Ko dito, Mars. Sinasugar daddy ako ng dalawa. Ay. Para siya ano, CEO.
Face your fear.
Hala, hala, Mars. Patay ito yung dalawa. Ay, buhay
May
pa
hint ka,
ako.
may hint ka, may hint ka.
Buhay pa ako.
Parang Warden na siya. Oh, buyo ko after nilaban Team Flash
The
tsaka
hearts of
Elevate.
humanity have changed.
Sayang naman, Marcy. Hindi tayo nagkita. Basta same lang yung
My
first tsaka
gosh.
second niya. May nakap lang yung second. Tapos ulti niya ita. Kung makita.
Ano, Mars? Yung ulti mo, spam mo yan. Talaga.
There's not much time.
An ally has been
Mas
slain.
kalmahan mo lang.
Sorry.
Hindi na ba
My
na-troll si
bad.
Marcy?
Don't
Hindi
let
naman
it get
yan.
to you. An enemy has been slain.
Mas kailangan ako ng ult.
Wake up.
First naka-ano naman ako. Naka-anti-heal naman ako. Eh, naka-anti-heal. Naka-roam ako.
Survival ever since the world was a barren
Okay, may ult na.
O, din ulti.
There's not much time.
Ano yung tawag?
Uy! Dito ka, Laisyo.
The hearts of humanity have changed.
Wala na ulti, Marcy mo na. Kaya.
An
Yeah.
enemy has been
Ay!
slain.
Gilid-gilid dala siya.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, ingat. Likod.
Hala, hala!
You have been slain.
Goodbye, God!
Kill.
Marcy.
Yung kaya mo yan, Bego.
Go, go.
Ultimate not ready.
Hold.
yet.
Ay, na-hold yung ulti niya. Okay.
Fails.
Sorry.
May sangguan.
Super beings.
Try ulit.
Sino yan, Odin?
Hindi. Si Ginji. Hold mo sa safe para sa range niya. Sige.
Killing spree.
Slay the ability.
The super beings have resided in heaven
The
for
Overlord and
Why can't
Tyrant
I?
have spawned. Tower
Oh,
shields
naman.
have been shattered. Catapults moving out. An enemy has been slain.
Uy, dito mo.
Ganun. Marcy, out mo.
Assemble at the marker.
Tatlo yan.
Retreat.
Hyper pa rin ah.
Ay, may ult yung kaya. Walang damage. Oh my gosh. Apat dito.
Dapat din tayo. Hindi pala umakit yung ano.
Ay, 5 pala.
of humanity have changed.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
I was
Retreat.
once human, and I will do what's in their best
Assemble at the
interest.
marker.
Ano ba itong doon? Di na lumingit.
The super beings have resided in heaven for too long and have forgotten the plight of
Dalawa
Ito ako, Mars.
dito.
most people. Interpret their
Enemy
own
missing.
ignorance as other people being stubborn.
Kaya ako. Ay, gag! Na-cancel yung titi ko mo.
Sus, sa mukha ni mo kaya na.
Grieve for us.
Sa boost, be. Go, be.
Oh, dito ka lang.
I was once human, and I will do what's in their best interest.
Ouch.
Bigay ko na to.
May ukoy sa ano, jungle. Lurchan.
Beings have resided in heaven for too long and have forgotten the plight of mortals.
Assemble!
Change lane ba? Sino?
Saka dun.
Learn to fear.
Yeah, change lane tayo. Get out.
One day, humans will no longer bow down in submission.
Oo, medyo nagets ko na siya.
Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been
Wala, yung lang. Pinanood lang ako na sisig. Okay lang.
Humans have been struck ever since the world was a barren wasteland.
Wala din ulit siya.
double kill.
Yung ano, Mars, yung ult yan, hindi mo kailangan malayo. The same damage pa rin yan kapag short.
Ganda sa shoutcasting sa Hawk, madam. Thank you, Dazu!
Shut down.
Parang 13k lang. Yeah. Yung Starstone, bilhin mo. Kaya mabilis ko na siya nabili.
Have changed.
Retreat. Assemble. Retreat. Team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
No, wait. Ba't ka na sa taas?
Enemy double kill.
Yung doon hindi, hindi mag-live.
An enemy has been slain.
Kala siyang ba natin, Mars?
Your turret has been destroyed. Assemble! Enemy in our jungle. Your turret has been destroyed. You have been
Matay
slain.
na yun. No? Tubs. Buhay pa rin siya.
Mars,
Ah, ganda
mag-antay
na for
heal
30k.
ka.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Mag-antay heal ka.
Oo, pa-on na ako.
in hand. Cannon moving out.
135.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Wala.
Ako naman. Ganit pumasok. Hindi, sarap ka lang kailan. Kasi patay sila.
Ay, wala sila.
Patay sila.
An ally has been slain.
Humans will no longer bow down.
We're ahead in gold. Play it safe.
Yan.
This is futile.
Enemy has been slain.
Hilot.
Unbelievable.
Yung okay lang talaga makakapatay sa akin.
Sige lang. Hello, Kali! What's up, bro?
Mas kapag level 15 ka na ko, i-buff mo ko. Go.
Ay, gagi, hindi sa'yo napunta.
Hello.
Bilis ng clear away.
Ano, Mars? Makakaano ka na dyan. Makaka-move samtang mag-ult. Makagalaw ka na habang nag-ult, Mars.
Talaga.
Has been
Lesho ah.
Enemy has been slain.
Double kill. Hala.
Ay,
Hala, takbo.
may skill ko.
Sakit. Okay, go.
Enemy rampage.
Takbo, sir.
Hala, kadera. Ult, be. Ay,
Uy, ganda sana nun ah. Pero wala, di ako.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Dapat dito may defense pa din.
Our high ground tower attack is under attack. My ultimate
okay, kaya mo yan.
Mas party.
Masyado hindi.
rampage.
Wagi, masakit na ba?
Your turret
Be,
has been
yung OQ lang talaga problema. I hate yung OQ. Alessio rin pala ko.
Ay, gago. Actually? Doon? Doon?
Hala, bakit nag-crash sa mga...
Ay, bakit? Gogi, tali.
Ano man to, yung jungle, I hate. Be,
Na-silence daw siya.
under attack.
Yung Arthur din kasi. Ay, pa Mars 10 seconds. Mars, ito
hindi na Mars. Ah. Oh my gosh.
Under attack.
Oh.
Defeat.
Galing na okay. May silence din yung Arthur.
Wala namang masyado gumamit ni OQ, pero gusto kong iba.
Hindi kayo. Bye.
Di naman, ano, okay, mapatay man sila, yung kayan, grabbing heal.
Ding.
Ito. Try daw ako Clash Lane. Charlotte. Okay.
Go. Hi, Peyton. Wait lang, tatlo na kami. Hi, Vic. What's up? Chili's goods lang yan. Bawi lang.
Yung, nakuha mo na lahat skin Mars.
Saan?
Yung tatlo.
Hindi po.
Oh my. Ouch. Oh, kaya pala magaling yung OQ kanina. Chinese.
You're in the mid lane. It's the enemy team's turn to ban heroes.
Busog!
It's our turn to ban heroes.
Zia mid. Ay, gagi! Ba't winan?
Pick your hero.
Galing yun. Tinan nyo ah.
Yahoo!
Kaya nga eh, ba't tinan nyo Zia?
Hi!
Kala ko farm lane ka, Mars.
It's our turn to pick heroes.
Bakit Motsi? Walang tank. Lambot yung nakaruro eh.
Five seconds left.
Pakitaan kayo hindi lang mid at farmline marunong po
Sayang no, sayang first.
gamitin. Sana tangkid mo dito.
Hi Gun! Kamusta? Insanity. Sana mabuhat. Utot mo Gun, di ka naman nakipaglaro. Kami ni Arvina lang magkalaro.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Oh, Marcus, move out!
Locked and loaded.
Ilan stars ka na Gun?
May the best team win.
Of the earth. You have my word. Courage and friendship are the greatest treasures of all. Yep.
Blood.
Or saan nangyari mo?
Yawa Alin, I hate you Alin. Promise, I will get back at you.
There's the conch bellow. I'll come running from
Nasa
the
iyo
ends
pa.
of the earth. You have my word.
Sa'yo mas skill yung na, ano. Come here, babe.
Dami tap ha?
An enemy has been
Ah,
slain.
don't even try me.
Has been slain. Double kill.
Everywhere when you got
Slain an enemy.
you are nothing.
Fabulous. Good stuff.
Galing pala silang friend kasi ano eh. Liang doon niya sila. Kaya ba?
Assemble at the market. An ally has been slain. Retreat. Oops. Ultimate not ready yet. Double kill. Awesome.
Sheesh, ang galing ko.
Ingat liang ha?
May the sea roaring waves and gales.
Ito yung top, ah? Pa-shoutout po kay Jethro, wala nang bigote. Hi, Sheila!
When you've got friends across the four seas.
Wala, kala ko stream kayo. Wow! Oh, grabe naman kasi may idol nag-flash pa.
Hindi ka makakaisa sa akin, Alin.
Galing dito kanina sa medyo ano, buko. Missing na.
Assemble. Enemy missing.
Inausap niya yung top 1 na nag-pick ako diamond lang tinatawag pa. Nakapin ako sa usapang stars tsaka point. Pero si Margo usapang pick point.
Are the greatest treasures of all.
Eh, hindi ka naman kasi naglalaro.
Assemble at
Tara
the
top,
market.
tara top.
Charge.
You are nothing before the waves.
Kalamati. Ah, papito! Nice one, nice one.
Tyrants have spawned.
Patay na, diba? Patay.
Double kill.
Sis! Ang alin, 1-4, bobo.
Unstoppable.
Uy,
Spectacular!
God.
Team has destroyed a
Hello,
turret.
David. Ano kami full? 3 lang kasi to eh.
Everywhere when you've got friends across the four
Sorry
seas.
guys, mythic na kami.
Uy! Ang bad mo! No, guys. It's just that hindi pa kasi napapat. Hindi pa pwede madami.
Oh, switch lane.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Joke, di ko switch lane na bulit itong alin.
Assemble at the marker. Silk is worth the same as pearl. Retreat.
Ano mo, boy?
Aray!
Thing before the wave.
Binibigyan ako lagi ng buff ng lupo. Gusto ko.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Bakit ah?
Assemble at the marker. Yep.
Enemy has been slain.
Assemble at the marker.
Killing spree.
Assemble at the marker.
Ang alin, intro. Intro is the gods.
Sabi yung ano.
Shut
Aray.
down. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Awesome. Pray to the sea for good fortune. Riding the tide.
Mukha nasa baba mag-isa.
After countless voyages and years, the treasure ship
My
has
ultimate
returned.
is ready. Rampage.
Yoink. Assemble. Boy.
Aray, 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 aray.
Riding the tide.
Go, 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 go. Shutdown ako. Nag-exit ako. Full pre. Sorry pre. Yes, full pre. Nakatrio kami pre. Ewan ko, ako yung tipo ng player na sumpungin kaya di ako nakakahayap. Okay. Ewan lang pala yung best hanapin natin.
Your team
Ako
has
kasi
destroyed a
naiengganyo ako
turret.
maglaro. Depende minsan kung may kalaro. Like, minsan napupuyat ka pa maglaro ganun. Kasi may kasama. Kahit pag MMORPG napapatagal ako ng laro. Kasi may kasama. Pero pag wala,
Far away.
hindi. Mas, madali ako mabiyay eh. Nang real talk, madali ako mabiyay. BTX, sino sinaport mo sa ano?
Should
Sa
the
tour na
clouds
pala.
bellow, I'll come running from the ends of the earth.
Mars dami
You
yan eh.
have my word.
Your team
Retreat.
has destroyed a turret.
Assemble at the marker.
Slain an enemy. Godlike. Double kill. Triple kill.
Quadruple.
You have
I'm
slain
sorry.
an enemy.
Sorry.
Lulled to sleep by moonlit waves. Sailors dream of
champions, my
Ala, kinuha.
Sorry po. Oo, sa. Kaya pala tahimik, nagmamunching.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Hi, Nika.
Hello. Okay,
Ulan din
link.
ito, Mars.
Nagta-time out. Ang daming gumagamit.
Wala yung wifi?
Hindi, yung link naman.
Ay, gago!
Oh,
You have been slain.
Napindit ko yung flash. Dapat first kill lang.
Ikaw lang ate,
Ako
Bill,
kasi
kalaro.
ayoko sumasama. Napapansin ko wala akong napapanalo pag may kasama ako. Kaya nagtitis na sol. Baka depende. Di pa nakikita yung people for you. The right people for you. Gagi, sobrang solid nung ano. Mali nga. Dapat yung first kill yung pipindutin ko. Pasensya na. Hindi ko pa rin pala nababalik sa maliit na pindutan yung phone ko.
Maya na nga, nagka-timeout yung link eh. Natamad na ako, kanina pa ako dyan.
Sa labas ata yun, no?
May the
Yung
sea spirits
yung buttons.
protect us
Ang laki.
from the roaring waves and gales.
Kasi na nakaraan nila kaya ko ito yung buttons kasi may kukuha ako. May
An
extension ako.
enemy has been slain.
Tignan nyo, ang dikit ng flash tsaka ng damage. Hindi.
Not to sleep by moonlit waves.
Open na yung Zian, no? Di pa nakapag-open.
Nabili ko na nga
Ally
siya.
has been slain.
Nagamit nyo na?
Oo, nagamit ko na siya.
The
Bibili ko pa lang.
overlords have been enhanced. Cannons moving out.
Ngayon lang nakapag-login, no? Ngayon pa lang daily.
Should the conch bellow, I'll come running from the
Hindi ako kalaro mo ate, Bill.
Ito, Serbian.
Solo. Alam ko.
Serbian na tapos isa sa live.
Wala, paglaro ka sa walang mic ah.
Aman. Easy limit.
Home is everywhere when you've got friends across the four seas.
Ogo. Hindi pa namatay.
Ano kaya ni Puzi si Wui? Si ano?
Ally has
Zia.
been
Siya.
slain.
Zia pala.
Kapatid.
Tatay niya kaya yun.
Kapatid. Ay, hindi.
Kapatid niya.
Pareha sila, ano,
Kamukha nga sila eh.
Kaya nga, yun nga.
Kaya nga,
gusto ko
mamaya
nga
ko na
sila eh.
lang. Hello, Kian. Ako, sis ako
Pareha
parang
sila
ganun.
relationship ni Value at
Sige ko,
Faye.
nagawin maginagawa ko talaga.
After countless voyages
Wala lang yan. Baka di pa nakikita yung taong para sa'yo.
Uy!
Hindi, yung kalaro ba?
Ay, kalaro.
Hindi daw siya kasi nag-enjoy maglaro. Parang hindi
Isa
siya
hindi
nananalo.
talaga ako nag-enjoy.
are the greatest.
Wala kasi kami
Assemble.
sa'yo.
Pero pag magulo yung kakampi mo,
Assemble.
balik pa kaya sa susunod yan. Baka matagal bago bumalik. Sakat boss, no? Ano naman mo si Tuya, binakapan.
The sea connects us. Assemble.
Marcy, pressure ka sa taas, Marcy. Putong ina, barado sila sa ano.
Shut down.
Barado sila sa...
Enemy double kill.